One of the things that I like about you, Forrest, and about working with your company is that you are very clear about what your goals are and you can easily articulate those, even though they may change over time and with the market and with the trends. When we asked you earlier about your three-pronged approach, that makes it, it may be kicking a lot of rocks or needle in a haystack, but you also know exactly what your philosophy is. And that makes it easier for you to attract that ideal investor because you're very clear about what you want and what you need. And it makes it easier for you to connect with the people that want to do business with you. What do you think?
And I'm very proud of one stat, I would say, for our company. I can't say that we always hit home runs. Sometimes we don't even try. We often try to hit singles. A lot of our projects, we went into them knowing it's only going to be a 14, 15% deal level IRR. But on a risk adjusted return, we thought it was a great return. So we did the project. But the one stat that we point to a lot is we have a 93% reinvestment rate. And oftentimes that other 7% just hasn't reinvested yet. And so, that's our goal, is to have every investor that works with us think that we are the best investment experience they've ever had. So it doesn't mean we're going to chase the highest returns. Sometimes we'll get them, sometimes we won't. But we want them to feel like they're being heard, they're being taken care of, they're getting all the information they want on a consistent basis, and they know what's going on, whether it be good, bad, or ugly.
That's a significant statistic that you have of 93% reinvestment. And like you said, some of those people may be in their 2 years, before they reinvest, they're staggered or whatever. But that's pretty fabulous. Not everybody can say that. What do you think about that number, Stephanie?
No, I think that's impressive. Look, there's all kinds of people in the space that, are running, or say they do what you do, Forrest, right? There's all kinds of different things. And I think that it speaks for itself as to, how you've protected your investors, which is why they keep coming back to you, right? You all are on that conservative side of things and not taking every risky opportunity that exists out there.
Yeah, but again, we have our niche.
Mm-hmm.
We like our niche. We definitely want to focus on our investors in our niche, but there's a lot of good real estate companies.
Yeah.
Real estate is such a massive part of the economy.
Yeah.
Sometimes I hear like, well, how come you're helping that person? Aren't they your competitors? You guys are both buying apartments. I'm like, yeah, but how many apartment buildings is there in the country?
Yeah.
And then you open it up bigger to the world. Like, there's so much real estate that we don't really view people as our competitors necessarily. We just have different niches, and some people, everyone does business a little bit different. And as an investor, because I also invest with other companies at times. Right now, I'm doing everything into the fund. I'm very, very bullish on the fund, but I have in the past. As long as I'm in alignment with their strategy and the way that they treat their investors, they can do a great job. Altus cannot be everywhere at the same time doing all projects across all spectrums.
That's right.
It's impossible. So there's other people doing good jobs too.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's that saying that I like, which is if everyone's your customer, no one's your customer. So you focus on what you're good at and the people that you want to play ball with, and you've been able to roll with it and have some success.